Hi there. I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this seat key fob. Here's what you need. One of these replacement batteries. This takes a 2032, and you get these off Amazon. They're quite inexpensive. There's a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. And then you also need a flat blade screwdriver about this size will probably be the best. Okay, so first thing you want to do is put your little screwdriver right here, get it in there, and just kind of wedge that up. It can be pretty difficult if it's the first time you've done it. Now on this, there's a clip here and a clip right here. So just kind of work this clip out and then work the other side. Then you've got the two halves separated. Okay, now this piece right here is pushing down on it. So you want to take your little screwdriver right here, pop out the old battery. Okay, now getting your new battery in, you need to lift this up. Lift that, slide this in, and push down. And you can go ahead and test to make sure that's working. Go ahead and snap these two back together. You can test right here, make sure you're good to go. And then this slides right back in like that, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.